Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome back to the Traveling Kangaroo. Today, we're embarking on an enchanting journey, exploring the top 5 cities for a romantic Christmas. We'll be immersing ourselves in the festive spirit of Vienna, the enchantment of Strasbourg, the winter wonderland of Rovaniemi, the charm of Prague, and the dazzling lights of New York City. Expect snow-covered streets, twinkling lights, and heartwarming traditions. Join us on this magical journey as we explore the romance of Christmas in these stunning cities. Our first stop is Vienna, Austria, a city that is synonymous with Christmas. As the chill of winter settles in, Vienna transforms into a magical winter wonderland. The city comes alive with twinkling lights, festive decorations, and the aroma of freshly baked treats wafting through the air. Venture into one of the many Christmas markets dotted around the city, where you can indulge in traditional Austrian delicacies, sip on warm mulled wine, and shop for unique, handcrafted holiday gifts. And don't forget to lace up your skates and glide across the city's beautiful ice skating rinks, an experience that'll make you feel like you're in a fairy tale. But what truly sets Vienna apart is the romantic air that envelops the city during this festive season. Walk hand in hand with your loved one down the cobbled streets, under the soft glow of the holiday lights, and you'll understand why Christmas in Vienna is so enchanting. Vienna is indeed a city that will make your Christmas an experience to remember. Next, we journey to Strasbourg, France, often referred to as the capital of Christmas. Imagine yourself in a city where the essence of Christmas comes alive, where each corner is adorned with twinkling lights and the air is filled with the sweet aroma of gingerbread. Strasbourg is this city. It's the home of one of the oldest Christmas markets in Europe, dating back to the 16th century. The market, known as Christkindlesmarkt, is a haven for holiday shoppers. It's here you'll find everything from handmade ornaments to traditional Alsatian Christmas treats. Yet, Strasbourg's allure goes beyond its festive markets. The city, with its half-timbered houses and charming canals, exudes a romantic vibe that intensifies during the Christmas season. Imagine strolling hand-in-hand with your loved one, under a canopy of lights, while the historic cathedral towers in the backdrop. A Christmas in Strasbourg is one that will surely steal your heart. Now we fly to Rovaniemi, Finland, the official hometown of Santa Claus. There's no better place to ignite the romantic spark during Christmas than right here. Imagine walking hand-in-hand through Santa Claus Village, where the spirit of Christmas is alive every day. You can even post a love letter from Santa's own post office, ensuring your sentiments are marked with a special Arctic Circle stamp. But Rovaniemi is not just about Santa. It's also about the thrill of riding reindeer sleighs, gliding through the snow-covered forests. The whispering wind, the crunching snow, and the reindeer's soft grunts create a symphony that's pure magic. As the day turns into night, the magic amplifies. The northern lights paint the sky in surreal hues, creating a spectacle that is as ethereal as it is enchanting. This is where you huddle close, under the dancing lights, creating memories that last a lifetime. Rovaniemi is the place where Christmas dreams come true. We now find ourselves in Prague, Czech Republic, a city that shines like a jewel during Christmas. Picture this: cobblestone streets dusted with fresh snow, the glow of ancient buildings illuminated by fairy lights, and the scent of mulled wine wafting through the air. Prague is a city that embraces the festive season with an unparalleled charm and vibrancy. The city's stunning architecture, from the iconic Prague Castle to the intricate astronomical clock, takes on a magical allure in the soft winter light. The festive markets are a sight to behold, with rows of stalls selling traditional Czech treats and handmade crafts, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors and aromas. At Christmas, Prague's romantic atmosphere is amplified tenfold. Imagine strolling hand-in-hand across the Charles Bridge, under a canopy of twinkling stars, with the city's historic skyline as your backdrop. Prague is a fairy tale destination that will make your Christmas magical. Finally, we land in New York City, USA, a city that never sleeps, especially during Christmas. This bustling metropolis transforms into a winter wonderland, its skyline twinkling with festive lights. Imagine the giant Christmas tree at Rockefeller Center, standing tall and proud, its lights shimmering in the frosty air. Walking hand-in-hand with your loved one under its radiant glow is an experience that words can barely capture. Now picture yourself ice skating at the iconic rink at the base of this majestic tree, the cool wind in your hair, laughter echoing around you. Every corner of the city is alive with holiday cheer, and the dazzling lights of Times Square only add to the magic. The romantic charm of New York City during Christmas is truly unmatched. It offers a symphony of sights, sounds, and experiences that warm the heart and stir the soul. New York City is a Christmas spectacle that you will never forget. That was our list of the top 5 cities for a romantic Christmas. Each one promises a unique and unforgettable experience. Let's take a moment to recap. Vienna, Austria, with its enchanting Christmas markets and the sound of carols echoing through the air, is a winter wonderland that captures the heart. Strasbourg, France, known as the Christmas capital, is a fairy tale city where every corner is decked in festive charm. Heading north, we find Rovaniemi, Finland. It's a polar paradise where you can experience the northern lights and perhaps even catch a glimpse of Santa Claus himself. Then there's Prague, Czech Republic, a city that sparkles with the magic of the season, its cobblestone streets and Gothic architecture creating a perfect backdrop for romance. And last but not least, we have New York City, USA. The city that never sleeps knows how to celebrate Christmas like no other, with the iconic Rockefeller Center tree and ice skating in Central Park. It's a city that exudes romance at this time of year. These 5 cities, each with their unique charm and allure, are perfect destinations for a romantic Christmas getaway. Each one is a testament to the beauty and magic of the holiday season and the promise of love and warmth it brings. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting travel content. Safe travels, friends!